Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself, a moderator. My full name is Sylvia Aulia Agustin. I live at Dusun Jatisari, Desa Jatirejo, Kecamatan Anyer, Kabupaten Lumajang. My status, I'm still single. Education, I'm still studying in Economic College, STIE Widyadharma Lumajang. I'm still jobless. My vision, make parents happy and proud. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in the morning, allow us to give presentation about business. What is business? The definition of business is divided into two, namely, the definition of business in traditional and the definition of business in modern. The definition of business in traditional is simple. It is the barter or the exchange of something needed or wanted by somebody. While the definition of business in modern nowadays has a more technicology definition. It is the activities of production, distribution, and sale, whether good or service to get profit. The definition of business modern is divided into three activities, namely, the activities of production, distribution, and sale. The activities of production will be delivered by the activities of distribution will be delivered by The activities of sale will be delivered by I invite Firmansyah to read the first material.
The activities of production, Dettol soap. The main component of soaps are soluble such of saturated by fatty acids. Dettol soap is antibacterial soap. It provides a liver protection against invisible germs. The soap cleanses and protects the skin every day. Dettol antiseptic ingredients. Here is a list chemical in Dettol and the function they perform. Lexapon is a cleanser with foam micellar. These micellar help to dissolve non-polar substances such as oil in water. Phenol. It is an aromatic compound precipitate as an alcohol. It is colorless and has a sweet smell. Phenol is used as disinfectant in household Dettol in low concentration. It can also be found in mouthwash. Chlorosilanol is one of the main chemicals in Dettol production. Chlorosilanol is the antibacterial with germ and scales without inflammation. Isopropyl alcohol. It is also a very important chemical in the production of Dettol. EPA is also colorless and flammable chemical whose compound has a strong smell. It also has antiseptic effect. Pine oil. It is disinfectant and antiseptic substance that smell nice. It is what causes the bloody liquid when used water. Dettol colorant. It is up to you to add it or not. Water. You will need water for the preparation of Dettol soap. It uses a softened Dettol soap recipe. Dettol soap. Below is the exact measurement for the above chemical that you will need. 1 by 8 of acetone. Second, 1 by 8 of phenol. 3, 1 by 4 of chlorosilanol. 4, 3 liters of isopropanol. 5, 1 by 4 pine oil. 6, colorant as you wish. 7, 1 liter of water. By mixing all the ingredients with the recipe that have been available on by one brand style.
Thank you Firmansyah for what was said. I invite Vivi to read the second material. The activities of distribution Dettol soap. Distribution is distributing goods from producer to consumers, helping to even out the distribution of goods and services. Helping producer sell the product they produce. 1. Manufacturer is the owner of the product it products, which are then sold to distributor companies. 2. Distributor is a party who purchases product or good directly from the producer and then sells them back to retail stores. 3. Distributor is a party that purchases product from distributor in area where the distribution of their product has been determined. 4. Wholesale, a group of people, entrepreneurs who start a trade by buying product from distribution and then reselling them to others, major retailer or traders. 5. Retailer, individuals who engage in purchasing activities for direct and non-resale purpose. 6. Consumers, those who directly use product for the purpose of consumption. Thank you, Fifi, for what was said. I invite Ida to read the third material. The activities of sales. Total soup is a virtual product that has been on the market for quite a long time. Initially, this product is not well known and was also as little interest to the public. However, over time, this dental product began to be of interest to the public. Dental soup itself is quite good in marketing. This can be seen from the increase in dental sales results in analysis of consumer towards shopping decisions for dental products in supermarkets and supporting markets by several factors including product packages, brand images, prices, the effect of advertising on consumer being interest in dental soup product. Dental soup can be marketed online and offline. Offline, you can sell soup by opening a soup or offering or product to beauty soup salons and pharmacies. By online marketing in the era of technological now today is very helpful increasing business and business. The shift has changed to an all digital direction. There are many systems for running online marketing that can be used by utilizing existing facilities on the internet. For example, soup and so on.
After their material considered, the conclusion is 1. The activities of production converts dental antiseptic ingredient namely Texaphone, Penol, chloroquinol, isopropyl alcohol, dental tolerant, and water. By mixing all the ingredients with recipes that have been available one by one then stirring. 2. The activities of distribution converts. Distribution is distributing goods from producer to consumer, helping to even out the distribution of goods and services, helping to producer sell the product they produce, distributing from producer to distributor, then to sub-distributor, then to wholesale, then to retail, and up to consumer. The activities of sale converts dental shop can be marketed online and offline. Offline, you can sell soap by opening a shop or offering our product to beauty shop, salon, and pharmacy. By online marketing in the era technological news today is very helpful in increasing business and business. The site has changed to an all digital direction. There are many systems for running online marketing that can be used by utilizing existing facilities on the internet. For example, shop, on-shop, and so on. That was presentation of our group. Let's say Alhamdulillah. As a moderator, I apologize for shortcoming and thank you for attention.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.